Welcome once again. Let's talk about Pi Network coin. Right now, at the time of recording this, Pi Network is trading at $23 according to Coin Market Cap. Now, it has been predicted by most crypto experts that once the Pi Network is launched, the Pi mainnet, that Pi Network is likely to start trading above $50. So how many coins do you have? Let's assume it's $50. How many coins do you have? What is the worth of your coins? If you have 100 coins, how much is the worth? If you have 1,000 coins, if you have 5,000, if you have 3,500, so how much is the worth of your Pi Network coin? So keep on mining, keep on supporting Pi. Okay, let's see and let's make sure that this coin comes to life, because a lot of people make a lot of money. Oh yes. And for me, if Pi can start with over $50, it's good for Pi Network, because so many people will be rich, so many people will start buying cars, start buying houses, a lot of things. So I'm happy right now. I'm very happy for Pi Network. So for me, I believe that yes, $50 is still a lot of money. $50 is a lot of money, and I'm happy that Pi Network, according to CoinMarketCap, they have started getting massive support from exchanges, which I believe will help push Pi Network to really increase in price. Well, let's hope for the best, and I believe if exchanges can start supporting, if exchanges will really show all their support, and then massive listening, accepting Pi Network being accepted by businesses, by companies for means of payment. Wow, this is going to be great, because I'll be buying a lot of things with my Pi coin. Okay, I have Pi coins, so definitely I will buy. I want to see a Pi on Amazon, I want to see Pi on Facebook, I want to see Pi on Google, payment. So it will be nice to use Pi Network for means of payment, because I have so many friends, so many family members who have Pi Network. Everybody wants to make use of Pi Network coin. So let's wait and see what Pi will definitely be trading at. Once again, remember, this is only financial advice. Thank you for stopping by.